Do you always have troubles with the negation in French? Do you often use ne pas, jamais together? If you said yes, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, this is Magali from Daily French Lesson, and on this channel, I teach you how to learn French on your own and to speak French with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know when a new video is out. Negation in French is not that complicated, but we have different words that we are using in different situations. The first part of the video will be the negation using the word ne pas. And the second part of the video will be using the other negation words. First of all, we're gonna see the negation with ne pas. I'm giving you the first example with the affirmative sentence. Je comprends le français. To make it negative, we say je ne comprends pas le français. The negation is always surrounding the verb. What is the negation word you struggle the most with in a sentence? Tell me in the comments below. Giving you another example. Je dors dans ma chambre. The negative sentence will be je ne dors pas dans ma chambre. Ne pas is always surrounding the verb in a sentence. The other negative words or negative forms that you could find in French. Ne rien, ne personne, ne plus, ne jamais, ne nulle part, ne que. I created a free worksheet if you want to practice on your own with your own examples and your own phrases. The link is in the description below. When you're using this type of negation, you don't need to add pas. There is no room for pas in this kind of negation with these words. So it's always gonna be ne rien surrounding the verb, or ne personne, ne plus, ne jamais, ne nulle part, ne que. I'm gonna show you some examples for you to understand. The first one will be ne personne. Je ne connais personne au travail. It's surrounding the verb connaître. The next one will be ne rien. Je ne fais rien ce soir. You don't see any je ne fais pas rien ce soir. In this case, rien is actually replacing pas, but to say nothing, anything. The negation with ne jamais. Je ne vais jamais au cinéma. The negation with ne nulle part. Je ne vais nulle part ce week-end. Negation with ne plus. Je ne vis plus en France. The negation with ne que. Je ne bois que de l'eau. I hope you understood a little bit better the negation in French. Of course, there is more to that, and I'll be happy to make a new video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you want me to make a video about how to use the negation with the past tense, for example, please let me know. Bye!